Good morning, y'all. So today we're getting ready to be going over a 7-inch rear view monitor by VisionTech America. This is the Boyo brand, and again, this is a 7-inch model. She does not come with your rear view camera. So this particular model is only going to be good for you if you already have a rear view system going on in your car, or if you already have a camera, or if you're going to upgrade to one, or if you're going to buy one individually, separately later on down the line. But again, this is a great model. And if you happen to already have one of the Tesla Android style units in any one of your cars right now, this is a perfect unit for you to get. Or if you already have one of the GM models that already have a rear view system factory installed in your car, this is also a perfect model to get, and you don't have to also buy a camera later on down the line. So pretty much all we're going to do right now is just I'm going to unbox her, show you what she comes with. I'm going to throw her in the car real quick and let you see what all she looks like. Don't think that was supposed to pop out like that, but cardboard. It's going to be your unit. It's going to be how thick she is, right there on the sides. And what I like about these ones in particular is these ones actually have the brackets that lock onto your rear view, versus the little straps that always go around. You might see them dangling around the bottom. So that's it. It's going to be your monitor right there. It's going to be your cables to hook it up. Simple. Plug that into the back of your monitor. 2 AVs in. You're going to have a power, ground, and then you're going to have your remote backup signal. You're going to get your 1-year limited warranty. Instruction manuals. I'm not going to go over those right now. And it's going to be your remote. That's pretty much it. All your basic contents right there, nothing much. Beautiful price on these right here. Let's go walk to the whip and throw her in. Alright y'all, so it's nighttime, and I'll be honest with y'all, it's a little bit hard for me to see, but I'm going to do this just so I can show you how easy it is to do this install. It only takes about 5 minutes. So we're going to have this unit right here, we're going to have the monitor. I'm going to take off the plastic, and I'm going to take the wires. I'm going to go on ahead right now and plug this wire into the connection on the rear view camera. So we're going to go ahead and get all that plugged in together. The rear view, the wire from the back of the empty wires that's hanging out. Okay, so as you see, it's nighttime, but I'm going to do this anywhere real quick. I just want to show you how easy of an install this is. This is something you can do yourself real quick. So here's going to be your monitor. What I'm getting ready to do is take this off in a minute, and then you're going to have your plug that's going to be on the back of your monitor. You're going to have this wire set up right here, all these loose wires. You're going to take this end of your wire right here, and you're going to plug that into the back of the camera. So you're going to grab that. It's going to have 2 connections where you can line them up in together, and it snaps in just like that. So once you have that snapped in, take your camera and go on ahead and hang it up on your rear view. Once you got all that on, what you're going to want to do is take this wire and you're going to want to tuck it in through your roof board around the top to the side. Alright, so real quick, just to give you an idea, we got the wire running up along the top. Right along here, tucked it in, hit it, ran it down the rubber strip, down the side, and we got it just sitting down here on the floor. So I'm going to tuck these wires up for you and hide them up. Well, not for you, I'm going to go ahead and tuck these wires up and hide them. I'm just leaving them out real quick just to show you. This is going into my stereo. We got the positive, we got the negative, and that's it. And we got the unit right there. So again, this was about 9 minutes for me to install, 5 to 9 minutes for you to install. We're going to turn her on, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is and what she looks like. After I got the wires tucked up and put away and hidden, that's what it looks like. Only thing you are going to see is a little USB cable right there. There you go. It's dark out here. I really wasn't going to do it right now, but just wanted to show you while I make this little 3-minute video. No wires to be seen. Go ahead and pull the plastic off. Left a little bit of something up there. We'll clean that off later. No biggie. Let's go ahead and turn the car on real quick. Five-minute install. And again, that was all done at nighttime real quick. So real quick, again, I'm doing all this at nighttime. I'm going to show you some daytime footage in a minute. Only reason why I did it was just to show you how easy of an install this is going to be. So again, this is your Boyo 7-inch model. Just going to go ahead and play that video, give you an example of what it looks like.
Oh, no.